These steaks, by the way, you guys, are the only steaks I eat since I don't eat red meat. These are an amazing alternative. I don't promote picking mushrooms unless you're knowledgeable enough and you can definitely tell whether shroom is edible or not. Some shrooms can be deadly. And this is one of my favorite shrooms. We are going to pick up some more shrooms today, hopefully. Oh look, my dog is here, my angel. I'll introduce you to him. Hey baby. What do you carry? I can see it. I can see it. And there's another little one over there, if you can tell. Shrooms gonna be beautiful. I can't wait for dinner tonight. Hello baby, you adorable little boy. I say little, he's actually huge, you guys. So because of Mrs. Rona, I haven't really been working or anything. A lot of the time I'm in the forest by the river picking up shrooms because it seems like kind of the best place to be at the minute. Right there. Say hello to the camera. Hello. I'm here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this shroom is literally the size of my head. What an actual is this? It's like a little steak. Well, little. I mean a huge steak, not a little steak. Oh my god. I never come here this time of year because usually I work or I study. So being here and seeing this, it's mind-blowing, like literally. This is the perfect example of a shroom you're not supposed to eat. Hell no. She's pretty though. Just a bit poisonous. So, let me put you guys down. Hello, hello, hello. I'm wearing Nike trainers and they're soaking wet. So I came here to change with my boy. Sorry, I'm very distracted right now. This dog is the love of my life. I love this dog more than I love myself. I'm ever in a really weird mood because of the weather. Because, you know, I struggle with SAD and I struggle with SAD or SAD, however you want to call it. And yeah, mood really affects me. And because it's been gloomy like this for such a some time, I'm just feeling really funny. Like I'm not myself. In general, autumn, winter, I'm just not myself. That's why I tend to travel at this time of year. But of course I can't travel at the minute, which I know I can't really be complaining because the situation is so extreme. But for someone who's sad, that has always been traveling to avoid like major depression and major sadness, it's difficult. I mean, let's just put it right, it's difficult. Okay, now my model. I know I just need to adapt and remember that things will get better, but it's sometimes hard to have such a mindset when things are actually getting worse. They're not getting better, they're getting worse currently. So yeah, it's challenging, but we'll get through it together. Me, my baby, and you guys will get through it all together. I think I'm going to go and look for more shrooms, even though we've already found quite a few, but still, a few more won't hurt us. I love shrooms, they're my favourite things to eat. These are soaking wet. These are much, much better. It's actually pretty incredible. It's very rare to have so many shrooms of this kind at this time of year. I don't know the names of shrooms. I think this is like a cane shroom or kite. Is it kite or cane? Or kite? Oh, it might be a kite mushroom actually. That would make more sense. I think it's a kite mushroom. Oh my days, you guys. Oh my god. Yes, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful shrooms. Actually, oh, there's more there. Can you see? Right there. I can't believe it. I'm blown away. I never expected to find so many. Like, and plus I never pick up the camera to go shrooming or mushroom picking or mushroom hunting, however you want to say it. I never ever pick up my camera to do it. And the minute I decide to pick up my camera, they're literally everywhere. What is going on? Oh my god. This is so exciting. Oh, not quite sure what happened to this baby, but it looks like it's been trashed by an animal, I presume. I'm still gonna get it. Of course I will. Oh, and by the way, you guys, just in case you want to pick these shrooms, this part, so the leg, is actually unedible. You don't eat them. At least I don't. I only eat the hat or whatever the top part is. Right, I think it's time to go home, guys, because it's getting kind of late and kind of dark and I'm in the forest, so yeah, let's go home.